A perk of renting is that the property owner must make repairs and is responsible for insuring the building you are living in. But that property owner's insurance only goes so far. It won't pay to replace your personal belongings if a fire destroys the building or a thief breaks into your apartment. So if you are renting for the foreseeable future and need a financial safety net, Kim Palmer, a personal finance expert with NerdWallet, says renter's insurance is a fairly cheap option.
And what's really surprising to people is how affordable it is. On average, renter's insurance costs only $12 a month, and it covers all of your personal belongings. So if you experience something like something is stolen from you or damaged, then the renter's insurance actually covers the cost to replace your personal items.
Palmer says one thing to note here is that if you do have some really valuable items like artwork or jewelry, you might need an additional rider on your insurance policy just to make sure all of it is covered.
In some cases, you can actually split the cost of renter's insurance with your roommate. So you do want to make sure that you and your roommate are on the same page, and that if one of you takes out their insurance policy and the other is paying half, that you have that conversation to make sure that you are splitting it and that it is fairly divided.
Palmer says also read the policy closely, and it's important to note in general, many of these policies don't cover natural disasters like damage from a hurricane. And she says you might want to consider bundling a renter's insurance policy with other insurance policies to lower your cost even more. With this Watching Your Wallet, I'm Rachel DePompa.